In this video, I'll be breaking down a strategy that is perfect for stocks, forex and crypto. And once we've gone over the exact system criteria, I'm going to go and backtest this 100 times using GU on the 15-minute time frame to prove that it really works. Okay, so head on over to TradingView, and for this system we just need two indicators. So let's go to the indicators tab, and for the first indicator we're going to need the twin range filter by this user here. Now we need to make some adjustments to this in the settings. So go to inputs, change the fast period from 27 to 50 and the slow period to 35 and slow range to 3. Okay, so for this strategy we're going to be using the twin range filter to find our entry signals. It'll print a short red label when we need to take a short trade, and it'll print a green long label when it's time to take a long. And let's go and get the second indicator, which we're going to be using to find our direction of the trend, which is called the Z-score probability indicator by this user here. Now we need to make some adjustments to this in the settings also. We're going to go to style, scroll right down to the bottom, and we're going to uncheck the bottom 4 boxes. Okay, so we're set up. So in this strategy we're going to be using this indicator to find oversold and overbought conditions, very similar to the RSI. When price becomes overbought, it's going to be identified by this green cloud breaking above the top red channel. As we can see here, price was overbought and overbought again, so we can start looking to take short trades. Now vice versa to this, price will also print a red cloud that breaks below the bottom red channel once price has been oversold, which means we can start looking to take long positions. So now let's go over the exact entry criteria. So when looking to take long positions, this is your entry criteria. First, we need to make sure that the Z-score probability indicator has just been oversold, signifying to us it's now time to take a bullish continuation trade. As we can see here, the red cloud has broke below the bottom red channel, so this is a valid signal to start looking for longs. Then we need to wait for the twin range filter to print a long label, and we can take the instant execution with the stop loss below the most recent swing low, and we will target a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, so we've hit the take profit. Let's go and take a look at another long example. Okay, so as we can see here, prices just became oversold by the red cloud just about breaking below the red channel. Now for this we need to zoom in just to make sure we can see, but this gave us a valid signal to start looking to take long. So now we're going to wait for the twin range filter to give it a long signal, and we will be taking the instant execution, stop loss below the most recent swing low, and we will target the 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, so it's super simple. Let's go and take a look at the short criteria. So this is your entry criteria when looking to take short positions. First, we need to make sure that the Z-score probability indicator has just been overbought, and we do this by making sure that the green cloud has broken above the top red channel. Now once this happens, this is telling us we can now start looking to take short positions, so we just wait for the twin range filter to give us our short label. Then we can take the instant execution, stop loss above the most recent swing high, and we will target the 1 to 2 risk to reward. Beautiful. So let's go and take a look at another short example. So as we can see here, the Z-score probability indicator has issued a valid signal to start looking to take shorts by the green cloud breaking above the red channel. So now we're going to wait for the twin range filter to give us a short label, and we can take the instant execution with the stop loss above the most recent swing high, and we will target the 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, so already I really like this strategy, so now I'm going to go and backtest this 100 times and come back to you with the results. So in 4 months, I took 100 trades, 47 won with 53 losing, which means we had a win rate of 47%, a max drawdown of 4R, and a max gain of 8R. So that was positive, as well as the win rate just about being what I would like for a 1 to 2. So these statistics definitely check out, but the net profit in 4 months was 41%. Now, considering the simplicity of this strategy, 41% in that time period is definitely a great result. Now, do bear in mind, this is 24 hours worth of trading, but we are also on the 15-minute time frames. So maybe you test this strategy on London Open and New York Open on the smaller time frame to yield greater rewards. So I hope you enjoyed this strategy. Let me know if you're going to go and check it out down in the comment section below. And like always, thank you for watching.